Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial using the Norvina Anastasia palette. These are the colors. They're very pretty. I absolutely love these colors. I was a little hesitant at first purchasing this palette because they're not colors that I usually use, but I'm so glad that I took the plunge and bought it because I've been able to create some really pretty looks with this palette, and I want to be able to grab this palette multiple times a week and just really get a lot of use out of it, and I have been so far with this. I went to a girlfriend's house on Friday and I was just playing with a few colors in the palette that I don't normally use, and this is what came out. So I was really happy with it and I thought I would share it with you guys. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look, then I hope you guys stick around. Okay, so I have my face makeup on. These are the brushes that I'm going to use today. I have my two fluffy brushes, and then I have my corner crease brush, and then this flat brush that I use to lie down the shimmer, and then my blending brush, and then this one, I use this to get any shimmer in the corner of my eye. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. The first color that I'm going to start off with is called Base. It has like a very, very slight shimmer to it. I'm gonna use my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just gonna pick up some product, tap off the excess, and I'm just putting this all over my lid. I'm not even careful, I just do it. My son's playing Fortnite in the living room, so if you can hear him scream, my bad. That's all I do with that color base. The next color I'm going in with is Volatile, and it's this color right here. It almost looks like a chocolatey brown color, but it's more on the cooler side. So I feel like it's more like a bluish purple undertone. That's why I really, really like it for this look. The brush I'm going to use to apply is the Morphe R37 brush. This is a fluffy brush. Pick up some color, tap off the excess, just putting that in the crease. I'm not even being careful at all. I'm just throwing it on there. This is what works for me. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to do the other side. Same thing. When I feel like they look even, then I'm gonna go in with my next color. I'm using my No Name MAC brush, and then I'm taking the color Passion right here. This one is a matte burgundy color. I feel like it has like a little bit more brown to it than real burgundy, but you catch what I'm trying to say. I'm just taking that, tapping off the excess, and I'm just putting that on the corner of my lid. And then I just kind of pat it in there. Then I move the product around. Now I'm going to do the other side. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. blending brush, and then I'm just going to blend the edges. I think that's one of the reasons why I'm not really careful when I apply my shadow, is because I do always go in with the blending brush at the end, and so far that has worked for me. So I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of trial and error. That is pretty much it with those two colors. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This color is Drama, and I'm taking my flat MAC brush and just picking up some product and putting it on the inside of my lid right here, just patting it down. I'm going back in with my blending brush and just blend the edges like so. I hope that you guys enjoyed this really easy tutorial using the Norvina palette. Honestly, I feel like eyeshadow is really trial and error. You're not gonna know if something looks good unless you try it. And a lot of the times when I sit down, I'm winging it. I have no idea what I want to create. I just look at the colors and I just go from there. Very few times do I have a look going into putting on my makeup. And those are usually special events that I've had time to think about. Another thing is with my eyeshadow looks, they're usually really easy. They usually are 2, maybe 3 colors. I don't have a lot of time to sit there and use a bazillion colors, and plus I don't really think that looks good for me, and that's just my preference. That's what you're gonna find with my eyeshadow looks, is they're very easy. I will do some more tutorials using the same palette because I really feel like, you know, you should be able to get multiple looks out of one palette to really get the most for your money. I gauge that by how many times, you know, I'm picking up a palette throughout the week, and this is definitely one that I pick up most of the time, even though it's not really colors that I normally am used to. So that's it. So I hope you really enjoyed this look, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, take care.